Model, 70-plate Fiat Talento VIVARO TRAFIC van long wheelbase, 12 multijet 120 HP Tecnico needs turbo. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 44,316. MOT, the 11th of November 2024. Engine, 1997 CCM 9R120E6 DTEMP. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts and runs fine but it is underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Straightforward simply turbo replacement job, starstruck. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 0 former keepers, parking sensors, air con, cruise control, 2 keys, electric windows, sat nav. EU status,